Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video. So, King Manada is currently trending after his one-man show performance. You guys, social media is currently up and after that figure which was used as a prop on his one man performance. You guys, people couldn't help but to notice that huge balloon. You guys, while people were saying that that balloon behind was, you know, a Medusa, which they say is demonic. Others were quick to state that no, it is not Medusa, but it is a very deadly demon called Lilith, you guys. Now, the question that people had was, what was it doing at the performance? Why did King Manada allow something like that? Because he was introduced into the stage, and the thing was behind him. They were saying that it was like he was worshipping, or he was inserting that demon into those people who were attending his performance, you guys. And you could hear that there are people at the back shouting, what is that? Why is it doing? And of course, a lot of people were actually, sending fire, trying to fire the so-called demon, you guys. King Manada is receiving quite a lot of backlash regarding this. Guys, what do you think is actually going on? Please, if you have any insight, please do engage your thoughts with us in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.